All right, y'all. This time we're gonna be going with the 15 curve, or just the flat mag. I still ordered. I gotta check my order. I don't know if I ordered the wrong needle or what, but yeah, 15 flat mag. We're gonna be using that most of the time. Then we're gonna come back to our 7 curve mag. Starting out with our medium tone. The other person was like a light skin tone, but this one is definitely like a darker skin tone. So we definitely starting out with our medium tone. Then we're gonna build up to that dark tone. That shit hurt. Oh. Yeah, little pain ain't nothing. Bring in that medium tone, chat. Then we're gonna come back with that dark all the way on the outside. We run about, like I said, our darkest tones right now. So the medium and our dark tone. Ain't gonna be worrying about no in between, especially on this one. Because we mainly really need that, because he was a darker skin tone, so that's what we're gonna need his contrast at between the darks. Leave the lights how they is, and just hit our blacks and our darks on this one. Matter of fact, we might definitely take out the black for this one by him being dark. I ain't gonna just leave it at the dark tone. Still got our medium tone. Really bring some of that contrast out, especially on the outside of the face. Keep that structure clean and solid. We're gonna be making sure we're doing a lot more saturating. Like the other one, I wasn't saturating as much, but this one, we gonna want these darks to really pop. But this is a dark skin tone, like versus the other one. It was a light skinned person, but we still tattooing on a dark skin tone. So you're gonna have to use your lights for a lighter person. You don't want to make them too dark. Inside the face. And after we saturating, that's why I'm using the small circles. Make sure I'm saturating that. And to just brush across, you'll just kind of pull across it. With them edges, I definitely want to make sure it's saturated. And also underneath that hat behind that ear, make sure that's gonna be saturated. Let it please stand out, but of course it ain't black because it's just a medium tone, so we're gonna go down medium tone and do that. Even underneath the hat ain't really a black tone, it's just dark tones. I'm gonna brush on his hat with our medium tone though. The darkest part is at the top. We ain't gonna go all the way up yet. We're gonna start coming back down. Before we get too far in it, you know, you gotta make sure you finish up what you started at the bottom. So blending them tones out. Back again with the medium tone, soften it out as we pull out towards the inside, even though this inside is darker. I'm gonna make sure I darken that up, but I'm gonna leave my light tones in between as is. But right here, it's definitely gonna be more darker. Right in this little area. Right before that Adam apple. Darken that up. That trip out, huh? And now we on the lips, chat. Trying to make sure we bring all that out. Structure them up. This time, once it here, like you said, we ain't leaving no room for no light tone, none of that. No, we want it to pop out. So on dark skin, sometimes you just gotta sacrifice with the detail. So I'm not worried about the detail in the lip when I first did it. I was worrying about that detail, but no, I noticed now. Gotta sacrifice, hit it with them solid tones, make sure it pop out. Anything that's gonna structure out and define the person. And that's basically what I'm basically doing now, touching it up. Simplifying and bringing out them darkest tones. We're gonna do the same thing with the nose. So structuring it out.
A man who's very short-sighted. You don't turn up. Short-sighted is very well thinking. All right. Since you want engagements, go ahead and engage. This in the receipt. It's
This one definitely a lot more simpler, I guess, because he's not really making a facial expression either. Facial expression definitely require more work, like you were seeing the teeth in the other one. Yeah, so it required more work, but this one a lot more simpler, straight to the darks, and that's what it is. We're just structuring it out. It's like it really ain't no in between on this portrait. They got all darks pop out, and that's it. Same way, structuring it out with that mag. Try not to get no super hard line though. Just mapping it out with the edge of that mag. Creating these shadows up in the eye bridge. It's like the eye socket. You can see what that circle around the eye socket, that where the pupil eyeball sitting. That's why they got that little darkness in there, because the eye sits back. Just a big hole with just flesh on the top. Get this ear, make this ear pop. Can't leave that light like that. You'll find them shadows in that ear, make them pop as well. You're gonna lightly go around the earring, not too hard, because that's softer.
You have 30 seconds, and then I'm calling.
Still got our medium tone check. We about to start hitting on underneath that head at the top. If that's a dark tone, I might actually come back with our dark tone. This medium tone we've been using the whole time. So I'm not gonna saturate the medium tone. We're just gonna kind of brush it across. Dark tone, we're gonna come back saturated. That's basically how you build up your tones. Like, you start from light, you are lightly brushing that light tone, and as you get sure about them tones, you go medium, and you start saturated from there. So if you go hard first time around, skin gonna be overworked and ain't gonna be ready for another pass. You gotta leave room for them second passes. Everybody start hitting on the eyeball. I thought the eyes was already dark. I don't see how they lighten up that much. That means I didn't really have a dark tone. So I'm gonna come back with definitely a darker tone. Get the actual eyeballs or the iris of the eye. You're gonna softly brush across this, not really trying to saturate it, but blend it in pretty much. That's it. Are we touching that other eye? Structure it out with the medium tone. Then you're gonna hit the iris with the medium and the dark tone.
Maria,
Go.
Mommy, I got you. Well, young chicken got the oil change. That little girl doing her legs right now.
Session is going. Need to ask you to leave. No, we're going to. We'll leave, yeah. Question is, will you be breathing or not when we do it?
You taking it on?
It's a courthouse. I have dispatch in my hair. Phase one. We enter the courthouse at 7 a.m. 1 hour before the witness.
Now, never want it. I feel after my nerves get bad, that's what I do. I pull out my lights, not out, and like, my nerves, my nerves get bad. What?
Tech specialist hallucination. You know, their contract, and you know, their after hours. Hallucination.
Oh, when? What you talking about? He is fake.
Just touching up some of the mustache, a little hair.
Has to be broken before you can use it.
Yep, gotta be broken. Gotta break that silence. I'm gonna go in the nostrils actually a little bit darker just so they make sure they stay really dark. Get our dark tone. That's gonna be dark. And I'll be hitting a couple of these eyelashes to get done. Dark tone. Then we got one more thing, just a little dark tone on the top. I don't think I hit the dark on the top yet. Alright, y'all, we're gonna just go ahead and hit the hair.
Without ears, what am I?
Go ahead and hit this hair right here. Gonna be kind of our last little thing with the hair.
Thanks for joining the live.
Giving it like strands of hair, not like just blacking it out. That one done, chat. Rotate it, rotate. Up, all the way around.
What
They gonna darken it up.
but still holds water.
Full of holes, but still holds water. A bucket. Wait, no, not a bucket. It's a pot. Wait. A hole. That's weird. Wait, I'm trying to think. Not a bucket. This one a little bit. I feel holes, but still holds water. Well, wait, no, damn. Full of holes, but still holds water.
Sponge, sponge.
Sponge, yes. Sponge, bro, that's crazy. Think about it.
Following your dreams.
Portrait done. Yep.